Starting the week on day number 16. Pretty good day for us. Not so much on the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar though. Did almost get to the stop loss. Pulled back from there though. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. A bit of a move towards take profit. Didn't take it yet for sub-trade A though. Still a ways to go. It's about halfway there, just under. US dollar, Swiss franc, sub-trade B continues its march towards the take profit. One more nice day would get us there. So we're hopeful for that still. And we did take profit on sub-trade A for the Euro US dollar. Banked $145.01 off that trade. Still hanging around where we took profit. That makes about halfway to the take profit for sub-trade B. And finally, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Also a little bit in our direction. Same as the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. No surprise they move similar. Not enough movement though to get the take profit on sub-trade A. Still all of our open trades around about $260 up. Things continue to look good. No new trades for us tonight, but we will be eyeing up the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. It is just about going overbought on the MFI, and it is up at the previous resistance level where we took profit, but it did push higher there and came up to this level before, so I wouldn't mind seeing one extra push up maybe tomorrow. Then it'll be a potential new trade for us. For now though, happy with how this is looking. Day number 17, not too much to report. No trades have closed out. They have generally moved back against us, but still mostly in the good. You can see Aussie New Zealand dollar, not much movement. Same on the Aussie CAD. US dollar Swissy did come back against us, but it could be worse. Still in comfortable profit. Same for the Euro US dollar. And the New Zealand dollar CAD, again, just a little bit against us. Not really anything to worry about at the moment, but things could get worse tomorrow. There's no new trades for us tonight. Plenty of trades still open. Could go either way. Hopefully it's a bit better tomorrow. Day number 18 will be marked as a bad day for us. Worst one of the strategy so far by quite a bit. First off, we did take a loss on the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, sub-trade B. So with a swap of $16.01 to the bad, losing nearly 225 there. Would have made around 130 or so on sub-trade A. So a lot of that money back, but still a loss overall for that trade. Was pushed down that bit more by the interest rate decision last night on the New Zealand dollar. 75 basis point rise, 0.75% up they go, and down goes our trade. Similarly, big push against us on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Still both sub-trades at play there, but we are at a loss on both of them. US dollar, Swiss franc, that dropped sharp as well. Back to our entry price, that's the only one that's still in profit of our trades, and it's only ever so slightly. At least we're up on the swaps here though. Euro US dollar, same thing, but just a loss, only about $5 down. Only sub-trade B left to play on those currency pairs. And finally, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, push against us again. So every trade against us today. Not what we want to see. If these moves carry on further, we are in danger of getting wiped out on a lot of these trades and then going underwater. We're currently $70 up from our starting position, and that is much worse than our locked-in balance that was up at about $700 until today. Now just under 500. Let's hang in there though. No new trades tonight. Hopefully these ones come good. Day number 19. Not a good day for us. It is Thanksgiving today in the US. So you can see pretty light on the volume still. Not a good day for us. Has pushed us down ever so slightly more. Not too much movement on some of these. The New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, that got very close to the stop loss, but didn't knock it over. That's the important part. So we're hanging in there. No new signals tonight, but I do think after the weekend we'll start getting some more when the volume comes back into the market. Hopefully we hang in there until then. Alright. Day number 20, another low volume day following Thanksgiving. And it is a bad day for us. Just about 3 minutes ago, we did get knocked out of our New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar trade. Sub-trade A is gone. Still in there with sub-trade B, but that is $200 down, which does not feel good. Still down on the other open trades as well. Not much movement on these charts. Still though, we are starting to trickle down in our funds. Was looking very good last week, not so much now. And we've got no new trades to finish off the week. There are a few charts that have gone overbought. Great British Pound, Canadian dollar here, but not at a level that we want. And the Euro New Zealand dollar oversold in fact, but still not at a support level. Would have to come down to about this region here to tempt us. So we'll leave it there for the week, and hopefully our fortunes will turn around after the weekend. For now, let's see those trades in the journal. It is our first introduction to the red this week. Things were looking very green. Now 2 losses, as we know, Aussie New Zealand dollar and New Zealand dollar Canadian dollar letting us down, sticking us with some hefty losses, which puts us down to a balance of 10,291. And with our open trades where they're at, suddenly looking quite a bit more shaky than it did a week ago. But we do know that it can all turn around again, and that's what we're looking for. Roll on Monday.